Welcome to An Thuong and welcome Pilates studio. Interesting. I think this is new. Pilates studio right at this H Suites. We are here at the An Thuong 9 with the An Sports Center over there. A gym. They also have a football court or soccer for my American friends. And we're gonna check out now the beer street, what they upgraded here now. Because I think there are a few more very interesting spots. So this here is apparently also a very good pizza. I'm not a big pizza guy, but they should have very good pizza. Then what else? Paris, a flower shop over here. And then this coffee shop, I think this belongs to the An Sports Center. An Coffee Shop. Huh. That would be a great location for Marcus. And this here is also very popular. There's like mini dumplings. Interesting. Cheesy momo. Huh. What kind of food is this? I don't think this is Vietnamese. Right? It's just, I don't know, made up. Just dumplings and then this kind of dumplings. You would think maybe it's Cantonese, but yeah. I love dumplings, by the way. I would eat it, but I went on the scale today, so I will not eat it. This is also the street we checked out last time, but we're gonna go in here and have a look at all new businesses here, restaurants, coffee shops, bars, maybe nightclubs even. Yeah, lots of things have changed here. This is also a very, very popular place here. Now, they have even outdoor seating here. Look at this. We still have, from yesterday night, a rum. Interesting. Sometimes I see that they sell breakfast here as well. Look at this. I think this was a wild night here. Look at this. It's still messed up. It's a whole bottle of, what is it, whiskey? Irish? So what do we have here? Ice cream, gelato. Okay, this is a new-ish coffee shop. We have this little club style. Javi's Tacos, I have to try this though. Tattoo store. This is still the same. 15 decibel. Happy Heart Coffee. Good American breakfast. And then Funky Donkey. French owned, but very nice people. Very nice guy. And we have this Indian restaurant / longest bar in the bar street. I think it is an Indian restaurant inside. Then there's some billiard tables over there and a bar. Got a motorbike repair shop here. A recycling place. And this is very interesting. I really have to try out this Pad Krapao here. So it feels like this is an English guy who lived in Thailand, because they have the Thailand essentials, English breakfast, and Pad Krapao. Yeah, I definitely have to try this. I love Pad Krapao. And English breakfast is growing on me very heavily. We have the corner music bar. They have lots of DJs there all the time. And look at what they're building here, guys. What is going on here? I'm definitely gonna make another walking tour here at night, so you see a little bit what's going on here at night. I wanna also see if the Aqua Betty is still there. I think yes.
Also there was this Japanese.
Oki Mart, I've never seen this before. Or I've never been in there. Yeah, this is the Aqua Betty. I think it's still running. Is this still a vegan? Yeah. And look at this, they're building a house here. It's gonna be very interesting when it's done. Apartment building. Green Grotti. What else is here? Bistro. Le Petit Bistro, that sounds French. Okay guys, so it's very interesting guys. This is like, also this is an apartment building as well. look at this. This is a visa run service here. Le Petit Bistrot. It's closed. Maybe they open it. Green Grotto. What is this? It sounds. What a weird store. Huh. Yeah, there's not much going on there anymore. But the corner where we're walking now is very, very interesting. They actually removed Tom's Bar, that's what we also saw last time. But there's also something getting built on the corner. I think they're making this bar, street. You know what they should do, to be honest? They should close the street at 7 p.m. every day. Close the street. No one needs to drive here around. They can stop here or something like that. Close the street at 7 and make it a walking street. This is the best thing you can do. It's safe and it's not that long anyway, so you can also, as a car driver or a motorbike driver, you can drive around that area. It's no problem. Just close the street, make it a walking street. That would be perfect. Then you have a real nightlife zone. What do we have here? Fune Sushi, long time. This is, I gotta check out this market. And here you can chill out outside. And then what do we have here? Ooh, bakery. It's pretty interesting. Hannah's Pub, still here, but they're renovated. And what I really want to try out is this here, a shawarma place. Sleepy Dog, Heaven Spa, laundry. Oh, what was that before? Okay, now it's a laundry shop. This Indian restaurant. But here, this is what I want to try out. Wondering what the opening times are. Probably at night, because it fits just perfectly at night. Pearl Villa. It's probably a villa you can rent out for a family vacation or something. And you have a $4 hair wash, $4 foot massage place. Levy Apartments, An Thuong. But I think they're gonna build something here soon. You got some normal houses here. Yeah. This is very interesting. Look at this car. This was standing here for so many, like, I don't know, 2 years or so. And now they just took it and rolled it over there. It's just an abandoned car. Right next to the beautiful VF3. Not sure what this means. Dreamer Pet Shop. Food accessory. Okay. Smoking shop. Look at this. It's a brand new spot. Is it an apartment building or is it a private house? You tell me. I don't know. I know here are some houses you can also rent. Travel agency. So here you can rent out apartments. You know what? I will add it to my guide. I will add it to my guide. All right. Yeah, don't forget to get my Google Maps guide, guys. Yesterday I saw a friendly German family, and they also got sick because they just run to random places. And yeah, just get my Google Maps guide. All the places I go all the time, and I didn't put in the funky places, the crazy ones, just the ones everyone can eat. Yeah. So don't forget to scan the QR code or go to the description of this video and get my Google Maps guide, guys. This looks pretty ugly here. So this was the Duong Tu Quan Street. Never knew the name here. It's still everything here in the An Thuong area. There's also, right in the front is the big sign. This is the huge Kloster. What is this? I feel like this street is unused property. I feel like you should just clean it out and have something selling here. Because you have natural shade from the trees, and it's just a useless street here. There should be some commerce there. But we are right here in the center of the An Thuong area. And yeah, it's also a very important intersection. And this street here is very important. Le Quan Dao, you can go all the way straight, all the way to Sontra. It goes so far. Children on an electric bike. Hi! I'm gonna say hi. All right, guys. Very lovely Australian 80s here. But we are here right at the An Thuong 4th Street. I'm on my way to get some salad because I weighed myself today. I told my wife she has to count my calories now. But I think in few weeks I will be a fitness model. All right. So then it's Semi the fitness model 25. But I will also do longer walking tours now. At the moment it's pretty tough because of the sun. So I have to sneak around the shady areas. Or like the areas with shade, not shady. But I will definitely wake up earlier and do long walks. So be prepared for long walks, guys. So you can also comment below which areas you want to see the most. I will go to Hoi An soon and do also long walks there. So here, this street here, and the street next to it, the parallel street is the Hoan Kivim, and in between are the An Thuong 1 to 5s. I think I said it so many times, but this is always a solid place to eat banh mi, guys. They don't have crunchy pork belly or something, but they have very good banh mi, and it's always the same. Since I came here, this banh mi is the same. It will never disappoint. It might be not the best banh mi in town, but at least it's always a good banh mi. And for me, I like the taste. For me, and many people I met, also my parents went there all the time. You go there once, you go there all the time. They're efficient, they're quick. Yeah, and it's a family-run business. You see the same people since 3 years. Yeah, great people, great family. I assume it's the family Dao. Oh yeah, someone told me about this hotel, guys. Look at this. I think it is open already on Agoda, but it's not really done. But I think they're gonna be done. With so many people on site, they will be done probably in less than a week. So you can already book the hotel rooms inside, and I will check it out. But at the moment it's not open yet. I mean, it's open, but it's still construction, so I will not check it out. I'll wait. All right. Oh, they changed a little bit too here. So this is also a section I cannot have anymore. Yeah. Let's have some vegetables. Yay! All right. Which weird greens should I take? And you know what? I'll take the kale. It's the nastiest thing anyways, huh? It looks like kale, guys. Is this kale? I hope. If not, my wife has to buy something else. Oh look, they have also beetroots over there for all my Aussies. Very important for you guys. I know that. Shout out to Sunshine Bloke. It's nice and cool here. Yeah, this is everything I need today. I mean, chicken and eggs and everything. I will lose weight and then I will tell you how I did it. All right. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, 16,000 dong. That's a pretty good price, I think, right? 16,000 dong is like 60 cents, euro cents or US dollar cents. I don't know. I think it's good. But also, if you want to have good prices, go to Winmart. They always have good offers. Oh, and by the way, I tried out chops here. It was very good. They're still very, like, lots of staff standing around, and I think the owners are still there to make sure everything works out. But the burger was delicious, same like Hoi An. I had a triple smash burger. And Emma had something too, and she loved it too. So, and they have this cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake. I will not be able to eat for the next months, but it is also very good. Yeah, chops is definitely for burgers. My God, oh, beautiful. Senorita Hotel, the second hotel I stayed here. Funny enough, I never reviewed it. It's so weird. I stayed there for 2 weeks. I stayed there actually, in that time I met my wife. Yeah. I stayed there but they were very friendly. I just didn't like the bed because it was too small for me. But it's a good hotel, I think. And I couldn't really use the pool because it was December. So it was useless. I think if you're coming in December, don't go for pool hotels. You cannot use it anyways. Who needs it then, right? So don't go for, if you come later on, just don't think about pool. December, January, it's gonna rain anyways. Think about, is this a big hotel? Do they have a nice lobby you can hang out? These are the more important things you have to consider in December. You don't even need to be close to the beach because you cannot use it anyways if it's raining non-stop. It's getting so popular here, puppies. But it's a good product. Actually, last time I did not like it, but hey, how you doing, man? Last time I didn't like it, to be honest. I thought my pizza was 25% smaller than I usually have. Because I always eat the same, I can definitely say if the quality is different. And the bread was not that good, the dough. So the last time I went there, they disappointed me with my favorite dish there. But I still think it's good. I have to try it again. If they disappoint me 3 times, it's gone. Then I need to tell some pizza people to make this pizza for me. Or I make it myself. The spaghetti also, many people said spaghetti was too small. But if you don't eat that much, it might be good for you. I still like the location, but yeah, we will see. We will find out. Hi. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.